Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss two new exchange criteria options that have been added to the billing module. To begin with, we need to create a separate bill series specifically for managing exchanges, which we have already configured. Now, navigate to the main menu and open the Sales Voucher configuration window. Select the required sales bill series and then navigate to Other Settings 3. Here, you will notice two newly added options, Exchange Criteria and Exchange Rate Criteria. Under Exchange Criteria, three options are available: None, Same Item, and Same Item with different shade, with none being the default selection. We will first focus on understanding the Same Item exchange criteria. Additionally, the Exchange Rate Criteria drop-down offers multiple rate options such as Basic Rate, Sales Rate, Purchase Rate, and MRP. For now, we will keep it as None to observe the default behavior. Save the configuration and then initiate a new transaction using the newly created Sales Bill series. In this series, the entry mode will be set by default to return exchange mode. Now, enter the article that the customer wants to exchange. After lot selection, a window will appear prompting you to select the item to be exchanged. Since we configured the exchange criteria as Same Item, only the same article with the same shade, across available sizes, will be shown as options. Select the required article. Here, you may notice that multiple lots are available for the same article with different rates. If you select a lot with a rate higher or lower than the originally transacted rate, the software will automatically adjust the rate to match the original transaction rate because the exchange rate criteria is currently set to None. Click on OK. You will notice that the item exchange entry is completed successfully and the bill amount is settled and becomes 0. Now, let us go back to the Sales Voucher configuration window and review the other options as well. This time, set the exchange criteria to Same Item with different shade and set the exchange rate criteria to any rate from the drop-down. Let's choose MRP. Save the changes and then proceed with a new transaction entry to see how these updated settings work. You can clearly see that this time, all shades of the same article are displayed for selection because the exchange criteria is set to Same Item with different shade. Select the required article from the list. When the lot selection window appears, you will notice that multiple lots are available with different rates. In our example, the original transaction rate is 2,199 rupees. Now, if you select any other lot with a different MRP, say 2,999 rupees, as soon as you select that lot, the software will display an alert stating that the exchange is invalid because the MRP of the sale item and the exchange item are not equal. Therefore, you must select only that lot where the MRP of the exchange article is equal to the MRP of the originally transacted item.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.